Well, here we are at an Ecuadorian home construction site. We literally just walked onto the property here and we're just checking out these new homes being built. And as you can see, a lot of concrete is used in Ecuadorian homes. But these look like pretty interesting houses here, pretty large houses. Obviously they use square meters, but a lot of construction workers are heading out now. It is gated, and I don't know if people assumed I'm perhaps one of the investors or what, but I was surprised I was able to walk onto this gated community being constructed, but very interesting here. I wanted to see if we can get some prices, but also I was just curious on how the whole construction process is here in Ecuador compared to the USA. But we're in Quito. Technically we're in Quito, but we're in the area called Tumbaco. It's a suburb of Quito to the east. Let's see if we can head upstairs. As you can see, a lot of these houses are being built. All right, let's head upstairs here. Ecuador uses the US dollar, so we could find out exactly the price of each house in USD. I love the modern look of these houses. They're gonna have large windows to look out and see the wonderful mountains of Pichincha. We're in the province of Pichincha. Here's a bedroom here. Just look at this window that this room is gonna have here. Beautiful, beautiful. Obviously, bathroom and closet here. This looks like the master suite. Wow. Look at all the windows. Natural lighting. Huge closet area slash washroom. Or excuse me, restroom. Or excuse me, bathroom. As you can see, this is what Ecuador has going on here. Again, this is Tumbaco, just east of Quito. And hopefully I can find out the prices of these homes being constructed here. But like I said, I'm living nearby, and I just stumbled upon here, and every bedroom here has its own bathroom. So, on the second floor. Pretty neat, pretty interesting. Long live Ecuador. Again, oh my goodness, another bedroom here with its own bathroom. So I believe it's a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom house, perhaps. Again, all the natural lighting that can come in and windows, etc. Unbelievable. I love it. Pretty neat. All right, let's go back to the main floor. For the first floor.